Hey guys, it's your girl Jamila. So I know that in my last two videos I promised you guys a Portland vlog. However, some of my files were missing, so I'm not able to give you guys that video, but I went through my camera and I have footages that I saw, so I just thought that I just piece them together and give you guys a Jamaican backyard tour instead. So I hope you guys like this video and thank you so much for the support. Welcome new subbies and thank you guys for showing love on my most recent video. If you haven't seen it, I'll leave it in the card right here on the screen. So come on, let's see what's in a Jamaican backyard. Let's go. Mama, that's the morning. You guys can say morning as well, so comment down below and tell mommy good morning. Have manners. Yes guys, I know me look a little bit rough. Well, maybe the first video that you guys see, or maybe after this, I went to Spanish Bridge in St. Mary. So this is the morning after I've been to Spanish Bridge. This is gongo. This is when it's dried. This one dry up on a tree, so this one all dried up. So let me see what's in it. Oh, nothing's in it. This gongo dry out, so nothing's in it. These ones are not good, but you guys check out this one. This one's green, so this one is surviving. Okay, so there we go. So that one is surviving. There's a lot of brown ones. Okay, so I found another one. So these are beans. I don't think they're green peas, but they're green beans. These are green beans. It goes all the way down. So there we have some banana. Who don't know banana? Alright, so let me see what else I can show you. This a pumpkin tree. So we have organic plant. I have breadfruit tree. Breadfruit is in season. Breadfruit in season. And plantain. This is one of my favorite starch. So as a plantain look. I don't know plantain. Alright guys, so this plant is called leaf of life. You know what this beautiful plant is named? Please go ahead, comment it down below and tell me. But if you don't know what this is what we call French thyme. So French thyme, you can I only use it in soup and rice and peas. Is this large tuna? Is a tuna? So we have a large tuna tree. Oh gosh. I know I'm still proud of my pine tree. I'm still proud of my pine tree. I'm not lie. I planted this about, I planted this around 5 years ago. And oh gosh, it's still a come. It was green the other day, you know, but because of the drought, it a widow. But no mind it, man, because I never the sucker me plant. I never plant the sucker or the pine or the pine head. I planted the pine head. I didn't plant the sucker. So that's why it's taking so long, I think. So if you want aloe vera, you can link up. Cause you know, say so there feel no have aloe vera, man. That's up the river, right? I used to swim. Yeah, my finger's gonna be out of focus because I'm focusing on the river. But up there used to deep, and used to swim. I used to swim, come all the way down here. Have morass in the water. I don't know if I explain morass to you. I never bothered me because watch ya. One cow down a river. Oh, I can't show you. Hold on there. There's a cow right there. There are deeper rivers in Portland, you know. But this is just in my backyard. So we get all that cool breeze at night. Let me see if you guys can see the fishes. Alright, so the fishes they must sense me. But you have a lot of small fishes down here. And you can catch swims. You can catch swims as well if you want. If you want to. I just come and chill on the riverside. Look how I'm provoking. Those are the melon trees coming. So, oops. May I drop, so I have to look where I go. But anyway, this might be the end of this vlog.